Alright, just got my Rosewheel Blackhawk gaming mid tower. I just slid it open on top with my knife. Let's go ahead and open it up. And this is definitely going to take two hands, so I will pause it for a sec. Got it right side up out of the box. Is this sealed? No? There's that. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Get this in landscape here. I've been doing portrait. Oh shit. We're good. Well, that comes off easily. Alright, let's take a look here. Whatever. Let's leave that off. I'm liking the look. This was recommended to me by one of my friends who is a gamer. I am just starting to get into PC gaming. So, one with some recommendations. I like the look. I ordered all my stuff Wednesday morning. It's now Thursday. And everything should be coming by Friday, so I'm excited to build. Alright, see you next time. Alright, so I just got this package I opened up previous to recording. It's got some goodies in there for my computer, so let's see what we got. My motherboard, Asus Z97A, gonna be a good one. Looks like we got the processor, which is an Intel i5-4670K. Got my memory, Corsair Vengeance 8 gig. My SSD, which is a Samsung 840 EVO, 120 gigs. That's going to be amazing. And finally, this is the mechanical hard drive, Seagate, 2 terabyte, Barracuda. And yeah, so I have all these in the case already. This is Friday morning, and the rest of the stuff should be coming later. I know I have a network card, the power supply, and the graphics card, and then I think something else, I forget. Probably not, whatever. That's all going to be coming. I'll keep you updated with these build. I don't think I'll videotape building, maybe testing, but all the cable management, that's going to be pretty boring. So I'll probably do a few more and show you the finished product. Alright, see you later. Alright, my last two packages came. I am stoked, and let's see what we got in here. A lot of bubble wrap. This is the one package I got from Newegg. The rest earlier was from Amazon. So first we got CPU cooler. Cooler Master Hyper 12 Evo. Heard this was one of the best out there. One of my buddies was trying to convince me to get the V8, which is like the $78 one, but didn't feel it was necessary. I saw this has great reviews, so I went with that. Put that down here. Here's my optical drive. I almost forgot I ordered one. It's some Asus. It was like, 20 bucks or so. Reliable. I'm a fan of Asus. I had one of their laptops earlier. It did its job, so I want to keep Asus motherboard and all that jazz. So here's my power supply. Corsair CX70M. I believe it is fully modular, so that's going to be really nice. Get modular cooling. Not cooling, modular power. Stoked on that. And the last part, almost second to last part, last important part, EVGA GeForce GTX 770 with the ACX cooling. I am stoked on this. This should be an awesome graphics card. I plan on playing stuff on Ultra. If the frame rates aren't good, I'll just do high, but I'm stoked for this to be a console killer. And hi, there I am. You can see my reflection. So yeah, this is going to be freaking awesome. And let me put this down somewhere on the ground. As you can see, my table is just covered for the build I plan on doing later. For the last piece, the not so very important, but still kind of important, wireless card. Our modem is over there in the corner. There's my case. Modem's over there in the corner. My room is upstairs right above. So, gonna need wireless. Yeah, so anyways, I was looking at the motherboard earlier. Stoked on that. This RAM is huge. I guess I've only dealt with laptop RAM, but that RAM is pretty big, and SSDs are so great. So, yeah, I'll see you guys later. Alright, just did the first test. It's taken at least an hour and a half, well, at least an hour, maybe hour and a half to get to this point, but it turned on. So, cool. Alright, here we go. I've got it all set up. It's actually been a couple days since I got it up and running. Actually a lot of days, but anyways, here is my setup. I've got a Logitech keyboard and wireless mouse, gets the job done. Got some speakers sub down there. There's some other back speakers, and here it's quite dark, hard to see, but this is up and running. Got some blue LEDs, looks pretty fucking sweet. I've got my Plantronics Gamecom 780s, which I use when I'm not using my speakers. And of course, since I'm mostly a console gamer, got my 360 controller. So let's load up Skyrim, and it looks amazing. Runs very, very well. Everything's maxed out. I want to say it's at least 50 frames a second or so. It looks like it could be more. But let's load it up. I'm an Imperial, because why not? I've only played Skyrim for 5 or 6 hours before, but this is going to be tricky to hold the camera and use the controller, but let's see if we can refocus. I'm in Riften right here. It just looks amazing. I am so stoked on my computer. So yeah, I'll hopefully get some more footage going in a little bit. But it works. It was just under 1,300 for all the computer parts. Had all this, so yeah. Anyways, later.